United Nations Climate Change Panel has now dropped a bombshell in its new report.
Code red for humanity.
The alarm bells are deafening.
Millions of people are in danger.
Affecting every region on our planet.
The IPCC report is clear. Human-induced climate change has caused global warming and it's getting worse. To reach net zero, we must act now. We are responding. At the University of Liverpool, our analysis of climate models into the oceans directly contributed to the IPCC report. It shows that as we continue to emit carbon, oceans and land will become less effective at slowing the buildup of CO2 in the atmosphere. And in one of the longest-running climate change experiments in the world, our living lab at Buxton is exploring the impact of future climates on the adaptive responses of plants and ecosystems. We now know that by themselves, ocean and land won't be able to absorb enough carbon to reach net zero. We need novel solutions. At Liverpool, we're helping to rethink the way society operates, working with organisations to reimagine how we plan our towns and cities. Our research shows that over the lifetime of a building, up to 80% of its carbon footprint is in construction. We're now using our insights to help UK businesses make smarter, lower carbon choices, from building designs to supply chains. But to reach net zero, we have to do more. We need to urgently transform global industries. At our state-of-the-art materials innovation factory, we're developing new innovative materials to enable technologies that don't rely on fossil fuels. And we have the capability to shorten innovation time using scientific insight, machine learning, and lab automation. We're already making breakthrough discoveries with materials that will enable the conversion of waste heat to power and develop safer and longer-lasting batteries. And we're partnering with organisations to develop next-generation renewable and biodegradable materials for consumer products, transforming the global chemical supply chain. At the University of Liverpool, we know that there isn't just one single solution.
There is still time to prevent runaway climate change.
We can make a difference.
Together, we can take on the world's biggest challenge.
The next decade is decisive.
The time to act is now.
Work with us and help reach net zero.